Here are some basic facts you should know. Make sure you stick around for the entire list because at the end, I'll give you some specific foods that you should be eating that will provide you with the right kind of protein. 1. This may surprise you, but almost every food you eat has some protein. That includes veggies and even fruit. And the proteins in veggies are high quality. There are vegetarian and even vegan bodybuilders. Protein is not the most important macronutrient, but so many people are just obsessed with it. I recently posted a short that was titled, "A High Protein Comfort Meal That Tastes Good." It got a lot of views, but some bro commented, "One egg is not high protein, bro." Well, the egg has about 6 grams of protein. The bread has almost 5 grams of protein. The avocado, about 2 grams. And the tomato, almost 1 gram of protein. So that adds up to 14 grams of protein. And it was one of my small meals that I eat throughout the day. And if you wanted more protein in that meal, you could just add another egg or cheese or meat. For my age, my BMI, and my activity level, I should probably get a minimum of about 50 grams a day. When I'm really active, maybe as much as 60 to 80 grams a day. Whatever it is, I'm getting enough protein to keep my muscle mass up at the age of 77. To determine your needs, there are online calculators to help you out. Just go online, plug in your particulars, and out pops an answer for you. But there's a simple formula. Divide your weight by 2.2 and multiply that by 0.8, and that will give you the amount of grams that you should probably be getting per day. 3. So what happens if you eat more protein than you need? Well, there are some pretty bad side effects. A, bad breath. Eating too much protein, especially without a balanced amount of carbs, can cause ketosis, a metabolic state that happens when your body starts burning fat for energy. Keto breath, as it's called, is one of the side effects. B, dehydration. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering the waste from your blood, including the byproducts of protein. They need water to make that process work, but when they're stressed, like when you eat too much protein, you can end up dehydrated. C, eating too much protein, especially in the form of red meat, can cause unwelcome tummy troubles like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. D, extra calories. Excess protein also means excess calories. Your body turns excess protein into fat. So it's important to know how much you need in order to maintain your weight or lose weight if that's what your goal is. E, kidney issues. High amounts of protein in your diet make your kidneys work harder, which can cause damage or make existing kidney problems worse. High protein diets are not recommended for people who have kidney issues. And eating too much protein in the form of red meat comes with its own set of risks, including heart attack, stroke, and some types of cancer. 4. So what are the best forms of protein? The best forms of protein include lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish like salmon and tuna, and seafood like shrimp, dairy products like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, as well as plant-based sources like beans, lentils, quinoa, and nuts and seeds. These options provide essential amino acids and other nutrients beneficial to your health. So, should you run to Food Inc. and buy protein powders or protein bars? I don't think so. Concentrated proteins like egg whites and protein powders lack the essential nutrients that whole foods provide. I do eat fish, chicken, eggs, and dairy, but I really like plant-based foods like beans and lentils to get all the vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other nutrients that they provide. If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.